Well, hello everybody. Thanks for joining me here as I go live on this Thursday, which is part of our Thirsty Thursday series. And so I go live every Thursday, mid to late afternoon, talk about a different topic that I run across in my law practice, where I focus on estate planning, wills, trust, estates, powers of attorney, and so forth, elder law and probate with Legacy Planning Law Group. We're in Jacksonville, Florida. So if you're thirsting for knowledge, you've come to the right place. So what I want to talk about in this video has to do with nursing home red flags. Um, so maybe you're looking around for a suitable, good nursing home for you, or maybe one for your loved one. Well, do your homework before you select the place. We've all heard horror stories about, what can happen, whether it be care that's not adequate, or even worse, maybe abuse, elder abuse and neglect. So as you do your investigation, it's really important to visit the facility. Why? So you can see what's going on. No substitute for having a set of eyeballs on the place. Look around, see how the staff, maybe how they act, maybe they interact with the residents. Again, no replacement or substitute for a bird's eye view. A great tool you can use, by the way, to sort of complement that on-site visit is a website called Care Compare. Care Compare. It's part of the Medicare.gov website, which is the website for Medicare. This website gives information and ratings for nursing homes or rehab centers and other similar types of facilities in your area, so it's geographically specific. You can also go to another resource, U.S. News and World Report, which has a huge list of over 15,000 nursing homes that they rate to help you find the best one. You can check online reviews, very important. People are happy, they're going to give a good review. If they're not happy, they're probably going to give a bad review. It's good that you see the good with the bad. And so you can see, again, how others have rated the facility. But again, back to the sort of the bird's eye view. While these resources can be helpful, there's no substitute for the personal site visit. In my view, it's the best way to evaluate a nursing home to see if it's right for you. So when you do take that tour, be on the lookout for some potential red flags. First, ask about their rate of infections and deaths. So in 2018, just a few short years ago, the CDC, Center for Disease Control, they estimated that there were 1.3 million nursing home residents and about 3 million infections, which comes out to a little less than 3 infections per resident. And common infections include influenza, of course, COVID-19, pneumonia, urinary tract infections, UTIs for short, very common, scabies, believe it or not. So you may want to watch the staff. Look carefully at their, cleanliness habits. Do they wash their hands before and after handling a patient? If they don't, there's an increased risk of infection, which is a really serious matter for older adults that have, let's say, a weakened immune system. Next red flag, how about turnover of the staff? One of the signs to look out for is, well, how often does the staff turn over? A change in, especially CNAs, certified nurse aides. High staff turnover is a really good indicator of quality of care. Some facilities have annual turnover rates that exceed 100%, which means the nursing aide who is attending to your loved one now may very well be gone in a year. Next, look at what we call social enrichment. When you visit a facility, learn about the activities that are offered to residents that would encourage healthy socialization. According to the CDC, again, seniors who lack this important socialization are 50% more likely to develop dementia. That interaction is very important to keep the mind sharp. Also, are outdoor activities offered? Also very important to keep that mind occupied. Next, look for complaints. Facilities, they get inspected on a regular basis by the state, and so these authorized state agencies, what they do is they license and certify nursing homes, and as part of that oversight, they conduct regular inspections. ask for a copy of the inspection report to see if that particular facility complies with standards, both federal and state standards. Look carefully during your visit to see maybe if the residents appear to you to be well cared for, and look to see if there are any bruises on their arms or other signs of potential abuse. And hey, ask for copies of any complaints filed against them. Next, there's something called a nursing home checklist by Medicare, a Medicare nursing home checklist. You can download this from the Medicare website. Fill out this checklist as you go about your visit to the facility. It can help you sort of hone in your choices and sort of eliminate certain options. In addition, make sure that the facility has accessibility for people with disabilities. Make sure it's clean and smells good, big indicator, and see if maybe the facility hopefully offers a warm or sort of engagement, whether it fosters sort of a warm and inviting interaction between staff and residents. Next, how about this? Place a visit during mealtime. If there's a dining room, is it clean? Is it attractive? Is the food appetizing? Will the kitchen staff handle special meal requests? And hey, don't be afraid to ask for a sample. I'm sure they would be more than happy to let you eat the food and you can judge for yourself. And then finally, potential red flag, costs and contacts. What does the facility cost? How will you pay for it, okay? Is there a formal contract you have to sign? Will Medicare pay for it? Will Medicaid pay for it? Long-term care insurance, if your loved one has that, are they gonna pay these costs? And see if the facility also offers some form of financial assistance. Check with their financial assistance office who can help you navigate the expenses. If you'd like to know a little bit more about nursing home red flags and maybe how we can help, we'd love to talk to you. So we invite you to schedule a discovery call. That's what we happen to call our initial contact point, that phone call with our staff. It's free, and by the way, scheduling cannot be any easier. So number one, you can go to our website. It's the first way you can schedule it, Legacy Planning Law Group. There's a book your free call button on the website. Can't miss it. It's sort of gold in color. Click on it, takes you to a booking calendar. Just pick a day and time that works for you, and my team will jump on the call with you. The second way is if you happen to be seeing this video on YouTube, well, an end screen should be popping up, a box near the bottom. It's an active clickable link, takes you straight to the same booking calendar. Again, that call is complimentary. If you've enjoyed this video, we would ask that you like it, better yet share with your friends, and back to that YouTube channel I was talking about, do subscribe. A lot of good content. So I hope you've enjoyed this talk about nursing home red flags. And like I say, I'm going to give another talk next Thursday at about the same time, part of our Thirsty Thursday series. So if you're thirsting for knowledge, we will quench your thirst. So Bill O'Leary signing off for now. Go make it a great day and a better world.